Hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to learn about nitrogen fixation. So maximum the nitrogen fixation is done by a bacterium called as what? Rhizobium. So in your early classes you have learned that the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed by which bacteria? Nitrogen fixing bacteria called as what? Rhizobium bacteria. So this bacteria you are going to see in mainly in leguminous plants, that is nothing but in pulses like beans and peas. Okay, in these plants you are going to see the roots of these plants contain some nodule like structures. They are called as what? Root nodules. In these nodules you are going to see the rhizobium bacteria. Okay, so this rhizobium bacteria, what they are going to do, they are going to take the atmospheric nitrogen. Sometimes what happens, due to the lightening, the nitrogen is absorbed by the soil. Okay, when lightning falls on the ground or the soil, the nitrogen is absorbed by the soil. Okay, now let us see nitrogen cycle. How the nitrogen cycle? Why we are going to say the nitrogen cycle? Because the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere, that is absorbed by the rhizobium bacteria which is present in the plant or the soil. Okay, so if the nitrogen is absorbed by the plants or the animals, what happens? The nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere, that should be what? Decreased, right? But this nitrogen is going to not decrease. Why? Because the nitrogen remains constant. How this is going to happen? Let us see. So the atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen gas. So our atmosphere consists of how much percentage of nitrogen gas? 78% of nitrogen gas. So, and nitrogen is very essential thing for our living organisms or for our living purpose. Okay, we are going to get the nitrogen in the form of proteins. Okay, so chlorophyll, nucleic acids and then vitamins. So all these are due to the nitrogen. Okay, so let us see how this can be taken by plants and the animals. So we are having some bacteria called as what? Blue-green algae. Why these are called as blue-green algae? Because they are in blue and green in color. If you go for the these bacteria, they are in which color? Blue and green color. So they are called as what? Blue-green algae. They are going to present in soil, and these algae are going to fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere and they are going to convert it into compounds of nitrogen. So what are the compounds of nitrogen here? Nitrite and nitrite. So these are the compounds of nitrogen. Okay, nitrate and nitrite. You are going to see about these in your further classes or in your future classes. Let us see. Once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, it is utilized by the plants from the soil through the root system. So as I said earlier, the root contains some nodule-like things here. Yes. So these nodules contain which bacteria? Rhizobium bacteria, or they contain blue-green algae. Okay. So they are going to take the nitrogen present in the atmosphere and they are going to convert it into what? Nitrogen compounds. What are those nitrogen compounds? Nitrate and nitrite. So these compounds are used in the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Okay, and animals feed on plants and these proteins and other nitrogen compounds are taken by the animals. Okay, when the animals are going to eat the plants, what happens? The plants contains what? Nitrogen compounds. Okay, these compounds are taken by whom? Animals. So in this way, the animals are going to get the nitrogen. Okay, and in one more way, that how when plants and animals are going to die. Okay, you know that plants are also going to die and animals are also going to die. The bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compounds that are used by the plants again. So suppose if a plant or animal is going to die, what happened? After few days you are going to observe that they are going to decompose, right? When decomposition process is going to take place, the nitrogen which is present in these plants and animals, that is converted again into nitrogen compounds. Okay, and these nitrogen compounds are again utilized by plants. Okay, as they are going to absorb or decompose into the soil in, and the other some bacteria, they are going to convert some part of them into nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere. While decomposition process is going to carry on, few bacteria are going to convert the nitrogen into nitrogen gas, and this gas is going to transfer to the atmosphere, right? So as a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. Okay, nearly 78% we are having nitrogen. So in this way, the nitrogen remains constant. So let us see the cycle called as nitrogen cycle. How it is going to happen? Exactly, you are going to see the cycle. So here we are having atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen is nothing but the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere. So one thing, that nitrogen is directly absorbed by the nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay. So when this nitrogen is taken by nitrogen fixing bacteria, the bacteria is going to turn the or fix nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. As I said earlier, the bacteria is going to take the, or they are going to hold the nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. So when these bacteria are going to convert the nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds, the compounds of, they are going to transfer into the soil. Okay, and when and this soil, the bacteria turn compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. So in few bacteria, they are going to turn the nitrogen compounds into the nitrogen gas, and this gas is directly transferred again to the atmosphere. This is one cycle. Another process we are having, I said that nitrogen is also absorbed by the lightning. Okay, the nitrogen is reached to the soil or the plants with the help of lightning. How it's going to happen? Atmospheric nitrogen is fixed through the lightning process. It is going to converted into compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Okay, when the compounds of nitrogen in the soil, they are going to taken by the plants. Okay, the plants are going to take the nitrogen, and when we are going to eat the plants like animals, and we are going to eat the plants, we are going to get the nitrogen. Animals eat plants. Okay, and when they are going to die, or when they are going to excrete nitrogenous waste from excretion and death. Excretion is nothing but waste product which we are going to release it, or which every animal is going to release it. That is called as what? Excreta or excrete or waste. Okay, then this is again mixed with the soil in the form of compounds of nitrogen, and with the help of some bacteria, this nitrogen compounds are converted into nitrogen gas, and this gas is again transferred to the atmosphere. In this way, the cycle is going to repeat and the nitrogen remains constant. Okay, so this is about nitrogen cycle, and here ends your chapter. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.